balls A and B have the same mass and diameter but are made from different types of rubber. The balls are dropped from the same height above the floor. After colliding with the floor, ball A bounces higher than ball B bounces. Which of the following quantities must necessarily be larger for ball A than for ball B? If ball A bounces higher than ball B, then the velocity of ball A just after the collision is greater than the velocity of ball B. Just after the collision, this means the momentum of ball A just after the collision is larger than the momentum of ball B at the same position. Since they reach the floor with the same momentum when they fall, the change in momentum for ball A must be larger. Therefore, the impulse for ball A has to be larger than for ball B. This corresponds to option C.